In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link and connect DocuSign to Salesmate CRM step by step. If you want to automate your document workflows, sync signed agreements, and streamline your sales process, this integration is a game changer. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way, so you can set it up without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more CRM and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You'll want to log in using your administrator account because the integration settings we're about to configure require admin-level permissions. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main dashboard. Now, look toward the top navigation area and click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign Admin dashboard, where you can manage account settings, integrations, and system configurations. The Admin section is where all the backend connections live, so this is an important step. After you're inside the admin dashboard, find and click on Connect. DocuSign Connect is the feature that allows DocuSign to communicate with external systems like CRMs. This is what enables automatic updates, status syncing, and sending completed envelope data directly into another platform like Salesmate. Once you're in the Connect section, click on Add Configuration. This is where you create a new connection setup. Think of this as telling DocuSign where and how to send information once documents are signed or updated. When the list of available configuration options appears, click on Salesforce. Now, even though we're connecting DocuSign to Salesmate CRM, this step uses a Salesforce-style configuration because Salesmate often leverages similar webhook or integration frameworks. Selecting this option prepares the system for a CRM-style OAuth connection. Next, click on Connect with OAuth. This is a secure authentication method that allows DocuSign to connect safely to your CRM without sharing passwords directly. Once you click this option, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, grant the required permissions, and complete the authentication process. During the OAuth setup, make sure you review all requested permissions so you understand what data will be shared between DocuSign and Salesmate. Typically, this includes envelope status updates, document data, and recipient information. After approving access, the systems will establish a secure link. Once the configuration is saved, your DocuSign account will now be connected to your CRM. From this point forward, whenever documents are sent, viewed, or signed, the updates can automatically sync with Salesmate. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces errors, and speeds up your sales process significantly. I recommend sending a quick test envelope to confirm everything is working correctly. Send a document for signature, complete the signing process, and then check your Salesmate CRM to ensure the activity or document status updates appear as expected. If everything syncs properly, your integration is fully active. And that's it. You've successfully linked and connected DocuSign to Salesmate CRM. This integration can save hours of manual work and help your team stay organized with real-time document tracking inside your CRM. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step CRM and automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.